皆さん、こんにちは。日本語教師のAyanaです。Hello everyone, I am Ayana from Auckland Japanese Tutor. I've been uploading step-by-step lesson videos, so if you'd like to develop a learning habit and master Japanese, please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn 10 i-Adjectives 10個の形容詞を一緒に学んでいきましょう。We will practice pronunciation together. Let's get started. To start with the Japanese adjective key points I'd like to explain. So there are two types of adjectives, i-Adjectives and na-Adjectives. The reason why we call i-Adjective is because that it's ending with i, okay? And then in this lesson, we will learn 10 i-Adjectives. Then i-Adjective written in hiragana. And then in English, adjective themselves does not change. Adjective is, for example, cold or hot or big. It doesn't change. But in Japanese, if you conjugate it, it will change it. Okay, so let's get started. 形容詞を学びましょう。さあ、学びましょう means let's learn. さあ、まず一つ目。大きい。Repeat after me. 大きい。大きい。小さい。小さい。小さい。高い。高い。高い。安い。安い。安い。新しい。新しい。新しい。はい。古い。古い。古い。Be careful, don't use it for people, this vocabulary. 近い。近い。近い。遠い。遠い。遠い。おいしい。おいしい。おいしい。楽しい。楽しい。楽しい。Good. So that's the 10 adjectives. Did you pronounce? Then when you write, you needed to eat. If you hear, you can't hear actually e part, like 楽しい, おいしい, but you needed to, when you spell it, you don't forget to write that e. Let's look at the example sentences. 学校は大きいですか? Repeat after me. 学校は大きいですか? So this guy's question. So 大きいです is a response. So is the school big? Yes, it is. So that's how we use i-Adjective here. Example sentence 2. 佐藤さんの車は新しいですか? So, this is a topic. 佐藤さんの車。佐藤さんはね、佐藤 is Japanese family name. Most popular family name. Then adding some to show respect. Then no is this no particle is belong to. So possession meaning possession. 車 means car. So Sato Miss or Mr. Sato's car. It's 新しい. We have learned 新しい vocabulary. Do you remember? New. Then いいえ古いです。So is Mr. Sato's car new? No, it is old. By the way, Mr. or Mrs. We cannot tell a gender by just the son. I just picked Mr. but could be Mrs. as well. So we have used 新しい here. And 古い here. いいえ means no. Let's practice this sentence pronunciation together. Repeat after me. 佐藤さんの車は新しいですか？はい。いいえ、古いです。はい。じゃあ、sentence 3。スーパーは近いですか？ Do you understand this meaning? 近い。We have covered the 近い. That means, do you remember? 近い。スーパーはね、this is written in katakana. That means supermarket. In Japanese, we say super written in like this. Dash, su and dash and pa dash. はい、近いです。So that means is the supermarket close by? Yes, it is. Let's practice pronunciation together. Repeat after me. スーパーは近いですか？はい、近いです。Good. So that's how we use it with this. Okay, so 形容詞を覚えよう。覚えよう means memorize ね。Okay, so what are the words in Japanese? So if you have notebook, please take time to actually write it down in hiragana. So 1番. By the way, 番 is something in order. We call it 1番, 2番. So that's why I say 1番. So 1番, big, 2番, close, 3番, small, 4番, expensive, 5番, cheap, 6番, new. では、書いてみてください。スタート。はい。では、答えを確認しましょう。答え means answer ね。1番、大きい。2番、近い。3番、小さい。4番、高い。5番、安い。6番、新しい。となりますね。That's the answer. How did it go? では、このレッスンはここまでです。お疲れ様です。So that's for the today's lesson. Well done with your practice. So in the next lesson, we will learn the adjective conjugations. So please keep in mind. 見てくれてありがとう。Thank you for watching. もしもっと学びたかったらオンラインコースをチェックしてみてください。If you'd like to enhance your learning or have any questions, please enroll my online courses where you will have access to all the lessons, lesson videos, and can ask any questions related to Japanese. Please check the description for more details. I will see you in the next video. それではまた。